Welcome everyone. I am Ujjwal Pal. Today we will solve a LeetCode problem step by step. The problem number is 1945, which is sum of digits of string after convert. So let's see the problem statement. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and an integer k. First, convert S into an integer by replacing each letters with its position in the alphabet, which is A will be converted into 1, B will be converted into 2, and so on, like Z will be converted into 26. Then transform the integer by replacing it with the sum of digits. Repeat the transform operation k times in total. For example, we have Z, B, A, X and K is 2. Then the answer will be 8. And how it will be converted? Like first we have to replace all the characters with the value. Like Z will be converted into 26, B will be converted into 2, A will be 1 and X will be 24. Now this is the current string. And now we have to perform the transformation two time on this string. And the transformation will be sum of digits. So the in first transformation, the sum of digit is 17, and the second transformation, the sum of digit is 8. So the answer will be 8. And we need to return the result integer after performing the operation described. So let's see the constraints. The length of the given string will be up to 100 and k will be up to 10, and s will be lowercase English letters. So first, as the k is at least minimum 1, so we will directly convert the given string into the first transformation value, which is 17, like that. Because first we will find the value of each digit, like each character, like Z will be 26, and we will directly convert the 26 into 2 plus 6 is 8. So we will directly calculate the first transformation value. So because k is minimum 1, that's why we will directly convert it in the first transformation. So first we need the sum is equal to 0. Second, for all the elements like auto it in s, the value will be the it minus small a. It will give the minus 1, because like it minus a will be like a will be converted into 0, b will be 1, but we want a is converted into 1 and b is 2, so we have to add 1 extra. So this will give our actual value. Now the sum will be added, the sum will be added, the sum of digits. So we know the values could be from 1 to 26, so we can determine the sum of digits in some if else statement. So first we will check if the value is less than 10 or not. If it is less than 10, then directly we can perform the sum plus equal to the value. And else, if the value is greater than equal to 10 and value is less than 20, that means we know the sum of digits will be 1 plus the last digit. So sum plus equal to the last digit will be value minus 10, and the first digit is 1. So that's how we will calculate. And else, that means that from 20 to 26, we need to sum plus equal to value minus 20. It will give the last digit, and plus 2 the first digit. That's how we will calculate the sum of digits. And after this for loop, we already got our first transformation value. We need to check for the rest of the transformation values. So we will check, like while k is greater than 1, because if k equal to 1, we will need to break that, because we already done one time the transformation. So we will check the k is greater than 1 or not. So if k is greater than 1, we need to calculate the current sum of digits. So let's say in current is 0, and to calculate sum of digit we will use another while loop, and the sum, and current will be plus equal to the sum mod 10, because we need the one digit, and we need to perform a sum divide equal to 10 to exclude the last digit. That's it. Now after that we got our current sum of digit, and we need to uh, set the sum as the current sum of digit. That's it. And after that also, we as we already done the one time the transformation, So we need to decrease the k by 1. So k minus minus. So after that, we need to return the sum. So let's see, will it work or not? It is accepted. Let's submit it. So it is accepted. Let me discuss the time and space complexities of this algorithm. So the first for loop is running n times, where n is the length of given s, and the second while loop is running k times, and for each of the element, each of the value of k, then we are also performing the sum of digit, which we will take the log of length. The length is the number of digit of sum. So in total, if you can see, the k is very small, like up to 10, and the length is larger than the k, that is 100 maximum. So we can say that the overall time complexity is big of n, and the space complexity will be big of constant, because we are not using any array or list which is depending on the length of the given string, and we are only using some variables to store the current sum. So the overall space complexity will be big of constant or big of 1. So thanks for watching. If you want to check out the code, you will find it in the description box below. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.